Got a badass Chevelle right here, 1967, triple black convertible. It's got a healthy built 454 under the hood, turbo 400 automatic, posi in the back, disc brakes at each of the four wheels. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can read about it, look at all the pictures, top to bottom. That's where you'll find a price tag on every car we have for sale, along with a monthly finance option. You will also find a Buy It Now button. If there's a car you really like, click the button. That just locks it in for you until you have a chance to talk to the salesman. That's all at volocars.com. If you enjoy the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell icon and you'll be notified when the new videos are posted. But that top's down. Let's go for a spin. So they say it was body off the frame restored. Up front is upgraded with tubular control arms, so the front end steering and suspension's rebuilt. Has box control arms in back, and the springs and shocks look new. It's got a nice, healthy exhaust. I think they're Flowmaster mufflers. You'll hear it towards the end of the video. Like I was just saying, it has drilled and slotted disc brakes at all four wheels. Gas tank is new. It's a shiny, I think it's stainless steel polished gas tank, looking really sharp. Real solid under the car. Floors, frame, all that looks really good. You look up at the motor, it's clean. The starter looks fresh. It's a turbo 400 automatic trans. Is a posi 12-bolt in the back end. Now let's check out the body. This is looking really nice, straight, sharp looking. I just noticed a mild dimple right here. I'm sure the dent guy can take that out. So if you buy this, remind the salesman that that gets done. Looking down the side, it is straight. I don't see ripples. Smooth to the bottom, right around this lip here, nice and clean, no bubbles. It's all smooth. This door can probably be adjusted in. Yeah, that can be sucked in just a little bit. Our guys can do that in 2 minutes. This is clean, straight, clean metal. It's got the SS domed hood, all clean, straight, lines up nice, real nice. This side's just as straight, smooth along the bottom. Yep, right around the wheel well here, nice, clean, smooth. So the body is very nice. Now the black paint, it's like a mirror. You'd read the reflection of a phone book and the reflection there. Is it perfect? No, there's little imperfections. There's some little pimples right there in the paint. There's some chips over on that side of the hood. I don't know what happened, but there's a number of little, just almost looks like little water spots on the hood, but I think they've all been touched up. Something chipped the paint. It actually, shows well. I've been around this car the last couple of weeks, walking up to it, going around it. I'm the guy who bought it. Now that I'm in here under these lights, inspecting it real hard, I'm, finding some of these flaws. But this is all looking really good. Paint is sharp. Tail lights, bumper, trim, everything back here looks like it was replaced, maybe a few years ago. So it's probably a 7 or 8 out of 10. It still looks really good. The molding's real nice. Door handles, they're shiny, but there's little pimples in the chrome. Probably just a cheaper aftermarket chrome. Same with the mirrors. The vent window frames are very nice original. The trim around the front of the windshield looks new. Up here is probably original. It's a little bit worn. The grills on the hood are real nice. Here's the chips I was talking about. They're little dots. I don't know what caused it, but there's probably about 8 or 9 of them right there. Cross flag emblems are new. The grill, the bumper, everything up here looks real sharp. So there you go. Why don't we open it up? Looks like it has smoked glass. Let me roll one up real quick. Yeah, it's new smoked glass in the car. Not tinted, but smoked. Convertible top is nice black top. You'll see pictures of that on our website, but that looks to be pretty new. Weather strips are new. All right, now let's check out the inside. All right, let's open it up. So under the trunk lid's painted, so is the jamb. Looks nice and shiny. New weather strip. Now, that's a convertible, and I'm going to say it's a rock-solid trunk for a convertible. It looks really good. Well liner was replaced. The power top pump looks new. It's spatter painted in here. A lot of people say you're better off without the mat in there because that just collects condensation. That's why a lot of trunks will rust. Or if you do get a little leakage in there, it just sits under the mat. Door jambs are painted nice. Weather strips were replaced. Door panels, armrests, they look like new. The dash area is good. Dash pad is nice. It does have the factory gauges. They're all working. The wood grain, the trim, it's all good. You know, this here might be new. Has a retro stereo with kick panel speakers. Carpet was replaced. Has a custom-made console with a Locar shifter, cup holders, nice armrest. I appreciate an armrest. Seats are reupholstered. Back seats upholstered. Cup holders in the back too. It's a nifty idea. It's got a nice tilt column with a leather wrapped cushion grip steering wheel. The mirror and the visors look new. It is a power top. Yeah, I mentioned that. The metal part of the dash that you see through the windshield has a lot of little fish eyes in it. When they sprayed it, they didn't spray it right. So the motor compartment's nice looking. The engine bay is nice, smooth, gloss black. It's a smooth firewall. It is a 454 engine that's got a performance build on it. I forget the name of the shop that did it. War Dog Custom Engines built it. Has aluminum heads, aluminum intake, polished polycarb with electric choke. And in back, it's got an HEI ignition system. We got a set of headers. Aluminum radiator with electric fans, keeping it cool. The horns look new. It has power steering. And it looks like the rag joint was replaced. Upgraded power brake system. So it's a nice looking motor compartment. I like how this car is running. All right, so we just got a tough muscle car here. Them big old wheels. Did we even talk about the wheels? I don't think so. They're 18s in front, 20s in back. They're Coys wheels, performance tires, extra wide in back. But just look at that black paint and them big wheels. And when you fire it up, this is a muscle car. So someone's going to have fun cruising the streets with this. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can talk to the salesman and get answers to your questions, including how to get it delivered to your door and how to get it financed. That's at volocars.com. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click the bell icon. You'll be notified as the new videos are posted. Thanks for watching.